Some people keep yawning and yawning because their systems are needing to settle in their neurology. And
But what is the happening neurologically with the yawn? I'm so interested in the science.
yeah, well, it is a regulatory mechanism that's built into all mammals, and it helps to replenish the brain chemistry. It's refreshing, bringing fresh blood into that area of especially the prefrontal cortex, where we're thinking so hard so often, and that busy brain beta state.